How to get Starbucks working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Starbucks promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Starbucks. So you can scroll down and check out any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, WeThrift. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can scroll and check 50% off, 40% off, 20% off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the deal and want to grab it, all you have to do is click on this option of copy code. Once you copy the code, you can head towards the website of Starbucks, make your order, and while you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. You can also try out these offers. Likewise, you can also go through these website as this website will also provide you tons of promo codes for Starbucks. Well, this is how you can easily get Starbucks working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.